Whoa, would you look at that? Oh, welcome back. Oh, you're gonna wanna hear this. So I was just taking a look at the channel and we have surpassed 10,000 subscribers. That is right.
10,000 subscribers.
And it's because of you. Because of you, I'm able to continue to do this and I'm able to upload these videos and you make it all possible. And in good spirits of the 10,000 subscriber mark, we are going to be taking a look at a little channel called Failarmy. They're a little bit bigger than little. Failarmy. And we're taking a look at a video regarding nature. Let's take a look at this intense video, but really fun. Enjoy it together and see what happens. So with that being said, let's enjoy.
La manta de agua que está entrando ahora mismo. Increíble, increíble,
Yeah,
increíble.
it is incredible. Oh my God. Moose are really dangerous, from what I hear. Wow. Oh! Oh my God. Oh my God, that's terrifying. Yikes. Wow, what an incredible shot. Oh yeah, you lost it. Oh, that sucks. It's an expensive loss. Oh, you better spread that weight out. Nah, it's too late for you.
You see the inside of it? Wow. Oh my gosh, look.
That looks like a pretty nice lawn as well.
Sério?
Not good. Oh my God. Pause real quick. That, whoever that is, damn lucky. I hope their ears are okay because that was loud for me. Yikes. What's going on here? A little bit of ice. Yeah. Oh, hold on there, little guy. Woo! Yikes, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Oh! I'm on a boat. That's, oh, you washing your car, I get it. Where is this? Yikes.
Blowing everything our way.
Rough.
Including the roof.
Oh boy, that roof. No way. Oh my God. They're in a building. This must be an earthquake. Terrifying. I wouldn't be filming. I'd get the hell out. I'd stick it around to see if the building falls down. Oh, this is not good. Okay, what's up with people standing on rock ledges next to the water? I mean, you better pad up, put a helmet on because they don't end good. At least he's still standing.
Oh, Madonna! Ma stai dentro!
Come quick!
Woo. At least it fell in front of the house, not on the house.
Oh my! Oh, yes!
Wow.
This thing is huge!
Oh, don't get close to it. Bugs? Mm-mm. Nothing that hops. No, thank you.
Yeah, she's gonna get us.
little dust devil. Oh, that bad boy's whipping around, huh? Woo!
It's moving. Oh my god. Of course, mine. Okay. Oh dear.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Your house is flooding with...
Oh, that's not nice, that one. Right into the post.
Hold on there, buddy. Oh, this is what I'm talking about.
Up. Oh.
Horsepower, baby.
What?
Or cow power. Oh, rough. Damn, that sucks. Electricity terrifies me. The sound of a lightning bolt or the sound of electricity striking something makes my heart stop. No pun intended. Oh, it's not good. Any minute now, it's going to collapse. Oh, maybe not. Holy shit. My God, are you lucky?
Oh my god! Sean! Sean, no! You broke
Yeah,
the
Sean, what are you doing? Yeah, Sean. One little lightning bolt.
Look at him go! He's so pretty! Sonny! Sonny!
Spit him out.
Sonny just swallowed
Sonny, what are you doing?
it!
Oh, shit. Sorry, little guy. R.I.P. What is going on here? What are you trying to do? Float on the water? What's up? That looks fun. Wow. At least it's a rainbow. A couple of them.
Oh, I really know.
Oh no. Right on the truck? Ah. Ooh, I got a soft spot because I have a truck. I have a soft spot for trucks. Oh. Wow, look at you go. Real quick, isn't that amazing how us humans can be so terrified of the tiniest little things? Amazing. That mouse is great at parkour. What is that? Oh my God, it's a family of snakes. Get out of here. I hope you're not terrified of snakes because this is like a spaghetti sandwich right there. Whatever that means. Not the best idea. Oh my God. Oh, those things bite. Oh, it's It's just a bug, dude. Oh my God. He's lucky that wasn't a chunk of ice.
Wow.
Okay, all right.
That looks like it's coming.
Yeah, hopefully that lava doesn't... Yeah, it looks like it's coming right towards you, doesn't it? Yep. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's coming
We got so
for
going
you
down.
guys. Yeah, you do. Oh. Dad to the rescue.
Come here. Come here.
Oh my God. A bear? Yeah, come here. Come here and get the hell out. Don't mess.
Come here, bear.
Curious bear. Where the hell is this? Oh my God. Damn. Hope there's nobody walking down below. Oh. Shit, is this an earthquake happening? Whoa. Wow. That's intense. So was that. Thought that was a gingerbread house for a second. That's ice. What? I want to eat it. It looks like a gingerbread house. Wow. Lovely little grizzly. Look at that. A blueberry bush right there. What's going on? Heart attack.
How's the conditions
Wow.
today?
I can't hear you.
How are the conditions today?
Oh, they're really good. I'm about to go get some weight. Oh my! Did you see that?
That's some wind for you. Wow. Oh my God. Wow, look at that little bad boy. Woo. Wow, that's intense. Oh my God. Hold on. Oh, back up, dude. Oh my God, get out of there.
Bad idea. Oh my God.
I don't know what you guys
God, I
have
just
going
imagine
on,
a...
but this is my
I don't
house.
even know.
And oh my God.
No way. No way. If that was an earthquake happening, that's why I will always live ground level. Because if that was an earthquake, no way. Absolutely not. Yeah, I don't park under trees, by the way. Just saying. Just goes to show we're just these tiny little dots on this planet. And it does whatever it wants to us. Whenever, however. Crazy. It's out there. What is that, a mudslide? Yeah, took me a second. Well, water, of course, but mud. Holy shit. Oh.
Oh my god, everything's really flying around.
Well, these earthquakes. Woo. No, thank you. Wow. Yeah, that's gotta be an emergency, right?
That is nuts. Oh, these people better get moving.
Look at the shit falling out of the sky. That's what that is. I was like, look at it, honey. The branches freaking from the thing is pulling them up in the air. We might have to go.
Yeah.
I saw big trees falling.
Look at that water spout.
Pra fora, bicho burro.
Yeah. Goodness. Oh my God.
Susto!
Get out the house.
Ele quer entrar de qualquer jeito.
Oh my God, that thing, oh, he's razor sharp little teeth too. What is this? Don't tell me those are mosquitoes. Okay, still, little bugs. That's gross. Oh my God, that's nasty. Imagine breathing those guys in without a mask on. Woof. At least it's not mosquitoes. Wow, look at that lightning spider across the sky. Whoa. Wild.
Jumanji.
Oh wow. Jumanji. Yeah, you better get your ass moving there, man. Elephants don't mess around. God, this is insane. I'm so lucky that I live somewhere where there's not a lot of natural disasters.
It rained in New York City. You cannot get off the train. Look at this. Oh my God.
Creative. Damn, watch out. Hey! If a peacock comes after you, any bird, even a chicken, they can hit pretty hard with their feet. And if they've got little spikes like the roosters, I don't know if the peacocks do, they can damage you. Even their beak, it's It's pretty intense. Oh yeah, back up. Watch
It's coming around, it's coming around. It's coming this way. Okay, right, just get the pedal.
Oh my god.
Gently.
This is my garage. Front door, as you can see.
Oh, what's that? Seafoam? It's gotta be. Yep. Is it? Looks like it.
He's going in for the kill, homeboy. There he goes. I'm gonna run his ass over.
Sure about that? Oh yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about. They could really hit. Watch out. Those legs stronger than you think. Ice.
Look at the shark, bro. Look at the shark. Look at the shark coming in. Look at the shark. Look at the shark. He's on you, dude. He's on you, dude. He's on you. Oh, man. Look at, oh my gosh. Oh! Holy smokes, dude. Did you see that?
A little bit of wind action. Oh my god, here we go. The elephant's about to. Yup. I'm messing around. God, it reminds me of Jurassic Park.
Water.
Oh, you're not having it, are you?
/ Rory Griffiths / water. Flat out, Massey. Oh, I'm gonna get wet here.
Yeah.
Going for it. Well, that's it, everybody. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for 10,000 subscribers. I can't wait to see what's ahead of us. I'm excited. Stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you then.